In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export backlog or issues and tickets to Excel in Jira. This is an essential task for project managers and teams who need to analyze issue data or provide updates in an easily digestible format. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure you can perform this export smoothly and efficiently. First, you need to navigate to your Jira project. Open up your Jira instance and head over to the specific project for which you want to export issues. This is your main working area from where you will be managing and viewing your project details and issues. Once you're in your project, look at the top navigation bar. You'll see a tab called Issues. Click on that tab. This will bring up the list of all the issues associated with this project. Depending on your project size, this list can be extensive, making it crucial to refine the scope of your export to make the data manageable and relevant. To narrow your results down to specific issues, it's important to use the filters available. These filters allow you to customize which issues you want to include in your export. You might want to filter based on different criteria, like project name, current status of the issue, or who is assigned to each task. This step helps you tailor the list to show only the issues that are pertinent to your current needs or reporting requirements. For those needing more complex filtering, Jira offers JQL, which stands for Jira Query Language. JQL is an incredibly powerful tool for more advanced users, allowing you to create customized queries that pull specific data points from your projects. Whether you need to track issues by creator, date modified, or another custom field, JQL can handle these complex searches with ease. Once you've applied the filters and are satisfied with the list of issues that are displayed, look for the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this is your gateway to the export function. This additional menu provides several options for managing and adjusting your issue list. From this drop-down menu, you'll select Export. You'll then be presented with different export options. Choose either Export Excel CSV, All Fields, or Export Excel CSV, My Defaults. The choice here depends on how much detail you want in your export. Selecting all fields will provide a comprehensive data set, while defaults will tailor the export to your usual settings. As you make your selection, the CSV file will begin downloading automatically. It's a simple process and won't take long. Once downloaded, find the file in your Downloads folder. Now open this CSV file in Excel or any spreadsheet application you're comfortable with. From here, you're free to manipulate, analyze, or present your issue data as required. This export can now serve as a valuable tool in your project management and reporting arsenal. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your Jira exporting tasks easier and more effective.